Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because I have a special story to share with you today. It's about a very clever crow who taught us all an important lesson.
Yay! We love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, in a forest much like ours, there was a crow named Casey. Casey was very clever and always found smart ways to solve problems.
I like clever animals.
Yes, cleverness is very useful. One hot summer day, Casey was very thirsty. She flew around looking for water, but all the streams had dried up. Just when she was about to give up, she spotted a pitcher with a little water at the bottom.
What did Casey do?
Casey tried to reach the water, but her beak couldn't go in deep enough. She thought for a moment and then had a brilliant idea. She picked up small pebbles and dropped them one by one into the pitcher.
Why did she do that, Benji?
Well, as Casey dropped more and more pebbles into the pitcher, the water level started to rise. Soon it was high enough for Casey to drink. She took a long, refreshing sip and flew away happily.
Wow, Casey is so smart.
Yes, she is. Casey showed us that with a little thought and effort, we can solve even the trickiest problems. Being clever and thinking things through can help us in many situations.
I want to be like Casey.
That's a great idea. Remember, my friends, always use your minds to find solutions, just like Casey did. Now, let's all enjoy the rest of this lovely evening together and think about all the clever ways we can solve our own problems.
What a wonderful story, Benji.
Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.